What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on REEF because this coin is right now forming several interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, and also if you are interested what exact price I think this coin is gonna hit after that huge dump that we saw here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 15-minute chart. Here you can see we are forming this falling wedge, but this is actually not the main setup that I'm watching, because if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, we are still having here these two bearish order blocks, which are between levels 0.002399 and 0.002168. So to enter here a long trade, I want to see here a support confirmation above these bearish order blocks. As you can see, we are right now on a 15-minute chart, which means that theoretically this trade should be a scalp trade. But if we take a look on the exact trade, you can see that even on a 15-minute chart, the potential stop loss is having like 11%, and your last take profit target, in this case, you should place above this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.004514 and 0.004183. And the reason why I want to place my last take profit target above this bearish order block is that if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna swipe the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. So you can place it just above this bearish order block, or if you want, you can place it like above this previous high. That's definitely up to you. This trade can give you potential risk to reward like 9.2, which is really good, especially with like 10% stop loss, which should be really safe. But don't forget that right now we are on a 15-minute chart, so the main condition that you need to be waiting for is, beside that breakout and then support confirmation, also a short squeeze, which means that we need to see here an increased bullish volume, because you can see after like this huge dump that we had here, right now we have here really big selling pressure. So once we will see here, let's say, an increased bullish volume, there will be definitely a fuel for a pump up. As I said, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take like under this previous high and like these lows, then definitely something you need to take like in this area, then definitely unlike this previous high, this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 5.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still a really good risk reward ratio for a trade on a 15-minute. In my opinion, this coin is definitely one of the best coins that you can right now use to open some trading positions. I know that we had here a really huge dump, but the potential upside here, even if you will risk like 0.2% of your trading capital per a trade like this, is absolutely insane, because on a 15-minute chart you can speculate for a profit around 100% of a net market. And you can see like this move can definitely happen in like one day, in like 12 hours, something like that. So this is like absolutely crazy. So if you will use also some bigger leverage, I am not like recommending that if you don't know how to use leverage, but if you will, these profits can be really insane. If we will take a look, for example, on a 30-minute chart, we are having here exactly the same setup. So you can use this scenario also for trading this on a 30-minute. On the other hand, on a 30-minute chart, we have here like several important bearish order blocks. So you can trade this move, and if this coin will continue with its pump, you can again wait for a breakout support confirmation and then open here a new long trade, which will give you again stop loss. In this case, you should place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price most likely is going down and your last take profit target above this bearish order block, because we want to speculate here for a liquidity grab. This trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 8, and also your potential profit around like 82%. And exactly the same scenario, we can trade this with this liquidity grab above this previous high, which also can give us absolutely insane profit. Maybe you are asking if it's like a good idea to trade this whole pump up, which means that you will place your stop loss like under this bearish order block, and your lasting profit target you will place above this last bearish order block, or like above this previous high, which will give you a trade with potential profit around 340% and 33 risk reward ratio, which is absolutely crazy. But me personally, I am not recommending doing that, because like, what's the probability that we are gonna go up to like these previous levels? Well, there was a huge reason why this coin dumped so hard. If you want, I can in my next video do a fundamental analysis on this coin. So if you are interested in that, definitely let me know in the comments. But in this video, we are doing technical analysis, which means I'm describing the exact trades that I'm planning to take here. And yeah, well, in my opinion, there's actually not that high probability that this coin will continue to go like that high. I think that there will be some pump. I think it can be definitely more than 100% of a net market, but it will be simply a dead cat bounce, which means that the market will do, for example, something like this, and then it will go on the exact same levels. So holding this coin in your long-term portfolio is, in my opinion, not the best idea, but use it for a trade like this can be, in my opinion, really profitable. And if you, for example, want to know about the exact trades that I will take on this coin, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of analysis on every interesting altcoin that I'm watching right now. So if you are interested, link to join is in the description or in the comments. If we take a look on a higher time frame, you can see that we are testing an important support level, which means that historically we have here pretty solid price action. But this definitely doesn't mean that right now, like on a daily time frame, there's like good time to buy, because we had here a dump which had like from that high to this low, it was around like 82% of a net market, which is absolutely crazy, because this happened in like 2 days. Other strange thing is that if we will take a look on a weekly time frame, you can see that the RSI is still overvalued, because on a weekly time frame we are on the level like 57. Of course, if we are gonna take a look on a 4-hour chart, you can see this coin is heavily undervalued, and I think these lower time frames you should definitely use more right now than the, let's say, higher ones. So I think that like 30-minute chart is right now the best chart that you can use to open here a trading position, because these candles, they are still really volatile. You can see, for example, like this candle had like 20% of a net market, this candle had like 13%. So yeah, the volatility here is absolutely crazy. So it's like not necessary to use higher time frames for some trading positions. But yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want, for example, a fundamental update, or for example, if you want to know about other interesting setups that I will watch on this coin, then definitely, as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Or if you like this analysis, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, that will be all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.